Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking, so let's get started. So today what I'm going to show you is my copper knives and silverware that I received at Christmas. So I'll open up my drawer. And here's the copper silverware that I received at Christmas. It's nice and pretty. So I got the tablespoon, smaller spoon, and it's an 8-piece set. Forks. And the knives. So I placed all my copper silverware in my hutch drawer. This is where the silverware goes. So now I'll cover it back up. Close the drawer and I'll show you the knives. And here are the copper knives. They have a nice soft handle. They came in this case. You can see how pretty that is. You can see the brand name, Tomodachi. Hope I'm saying it correctly. But it's a beautiful knife. Very, very sharp. Nice bread knife. The handles are really nice and soft. This is an all-purpose knife. Paring knife. That's really sharp. You can use this for tomatoes or bagels. And this one's perfect for citrus. Nice and sharp. And if I'm saying the name correctly, it's Tomodachi. And it's a 6-piece knife set. And this is what I got for Christmas. It's beautiful. So now I'll go put this in my hutch along with my copper silverware. I really like these covers. That's perfect to store your knives in. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Cheryl's Home Cooking and watching me show you my copper silverware that I received for Christmas and my knife set. I'll see you guys next video. Enjoy. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Cheryl's Home Cooking. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye.